So hi folks, it's getting a little bit cloudy, but I hope it's not gonna rain. It's just one cloud. Anyway, again I had a big challenge which stopped my work. I was just getting a little progress digging the trench from today, but unfortunately I had this incident with this getting broken, and I'm gonna try now to fix this somehow. That's the way we usually do this. We use some nail and I'm gonna need quite a lot of nails, quite some nails, kind of 2-3 nails or something. Use the hammer. This doesn't get well. It's gonna be a little bit difficult for me today. Not very good nails actually. I don't like them. I don't like these nails. Not very good. Very soft kind of. Oh, that's good one. Anyway, I hope it's gonna work for today, this thing, to help me, because I'm not gonna be able to work else, you know. It's gonna be, I don't have another such tool. That's a good one. Oh, this went into the trench. In the next video I'm gonna show you also a little bit progress. I'm gonna dig the other wall. That's gonna be that's the northern wall. It's a lovely day anyway here. It's good for work, but when you don't have the tools, it's very hard. Very soft nails. I wonder why it does so. Sometimes it's a good big challenge. Well, it doesn't look very well. Later I also need to fix my axe. Right now I cannot buy new ones right now. I hope in next week I want to buy a proper bigger one with the sharp side on this side, and the axe is gonna work for now. It's gonna be good. I'm just gonna fix it also. And now you need some stone for this to do like that. To push a little bit all the things one against the other. I think now it's gonna be quite strong for some time, but I'm gonna try to put some more nails, you know. It's never too bad to have more. I need hard ground here. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, these nails can be straightened later on. Well, today I'm not gonna have much progress compared to yesterday. I hoped for good smooth work today, but no, you know, always challenges appear. Not good. Okay, the last one, I'm gonna try to put it into the very wood. Again, not good one. These nails are fucking shit. I'm sorry about that, but these nails are made kind of like a plastic. Anyway folks, later. I'm gonna show you. I wanted to show you the view today. Thanks for watching, those of you who follow my Eco Cob House adventure. I don't have much of a progress. Yesterday here was the root of this that root over there, and I removed it, and I started today digging a little bit of dirt here, and suddenly this broke. Thanks God it didn't went on my head when it went out of the wooden holder. Anyway, this way is a little bit softer the ground. Now I'm gonna dig this one in order from this to measure 5 meters to know the next trench where it's gonna be. Thanks for watching. That's my camp there. Subscribe, like and share, and also comment below if you want some specific advice for cob house building and sustainable building. This is the trench, which is 60 centimeters wide. Oh my god, how did I zoom that? Anyway folks, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.